InnoTrans in Berlin is the world's largest trade fair for transport technology. It is the ideal forum for all important manufacturers and consumers in rail-based passenger and freight traffic to present or learn about innovative components, vehicles and systems. This year was the 10th InnoTrans.
Well, our highlights are mainly to show the system approach. So we are trying to present to our potential customers our competence throughout the value chain. This means we are showing them not only turnouts, but really turnout systems that include point machines, that include monitoring systems, and even all parts of service and maintenance activities, so the whole value chain from engineering until the recycling process. Well, the message to the customer is that we want to provide more value to him. So what we want to do is to help the customer, the railways, to be more competitive against other transportation systems. So this is our main target, and we are trying to work in close partnership with our customers in order to work for their success, for their competitiveness, because that will be the best basis for our future business with them. Well, turnout technology, in my opinion, still will be wheel rail based, so I don't believe that other systems really will play an important role. There are always alternatives in development, but the main system will be wheel rail based, and that is also our key competence. We are very strong both on the rail technology. We are working very close with providers of rolling stock, and therefore we understand how both technologies work together, and I believe that will be the future as well. In regard to markets, I believe that mainly urban systems will have enormous potential to also grow into the future. Cities are getting too big. Transportation systems inside of cities are inefficient. In addition, there is also green thinking becoming more important, and therefore I have no doubt that railways in general will have a great future in all segments, from high speed, heavy haul to urban transportation, and I believe this is exactly the competence that we have and that we will try to utilize best also for the success of our company in the future. Where will the markets be? I believe we have a very strong basis in Europe. Europe will no longer grow that tremendously as it did in the past, but I believe we have reached very good high levels, and there should be some good basis also for the future to do good business in Europe, but the growth will take place, in our opinion, mainly in South America, of course on a limited environment, and from the volume point of view, the biggest growth will happen especially in Asia, and surprisingly, we wouldn't have said that 2 years ago, but now we can say in North America. So based on reindustrialization philosophy, North America will experience definitely some future growth, and is at the moment one of our biggest growing markets that we experience.
voestalpine, one step ahead.